During lecture, the professor stood the dais. A. On. B. In. C. At. D. None of these. Correct answer. A. On. Who is knocking at the door? Here who is. A. Personal pronoun. B. Interrogative pronoun. C. Reflexive pronoun. D. None of these. Correct answer. Interrogative pronoun. The same meaning of stove, cook is. A. Sun, heat. B. Fire, cold. C. Cook, women. D. None of these. Correct answer. A. Sun, heat. The correct words for before, after is. A. Young, child. B. Second, first. C. Successor, predecessor. D. None of these. Correct answer. C. Successor, predecessor. Umbrella. Rain is. A. Vaccination, disease. B. Summer, hot. C. Old, women. D. None of these. Correct answer. A. Vaccination, disease.